Hello, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I have a fun project share. It's this explosion box that is full of spaces for photos, and I've done it in this Walt Disney theme as I'm getting ready to leave for a trip to Walt Disney to celebrate my grandson's 3rd birthday. And actually, by the time you see this video, I will be at Disney because I'm leaving in just a few hours. But I wanted to jump on and show you what I made and show you the products that I made it with in case you want to make one of your own. Before we fully explore this, I'm going to show you the products that I used to make it. The paper collection that I used comes from Echo Park, and it's called Magical Adventure. The box has a shaker element, and I used these sparklets embellishments from Buttons Galore. I used this pretty red gingham ribbon from Celebrate It. I used this super fun fireworks holographic foil cardstock, and I got this at Paper Wishes. And I also decorated it throughout with these Dazzles stickers from Paper Wishes, and the colors I used were silver, black, red, and gold. And to make the box, I used this explosion box board from We Are Memory Keepers. And it has these heart templates, which I did not use for this project, but I will be using in an upcoming Valentine's project, which I'll do a tutorial on. All the products that I can find, I will link in the description box below. So to make this box, I was inspired by Michelle Allen. Her channel here on YouTube is called A Creative Operation, and I will link her channel in the description box below. She also has a tutorial for the base of this box. It's decorated a little bit differently, but you know, you get the base design instructions. I made this box out of 110-pound cardstock that I purchased at Michael's. It's the Recollections brand. It's very nice and sturdy. And this is what it looks like on all 4 sides. And I made the top into a shaker. I used my circle nesting dies on that fireworks holographic silver cardstock to cut out this frame, and I used a cut apart from the paper collection as my base picture, decorated it with some of those Dazzles stickers, and used the Buttons Galore sequins mix inside. So as you can see, it's a shaker, and when you lift the top, you get the explosion. So this design has 4 pockets, and each pocket contains a booklet. These are 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. So you can put photos inside, you know, trim down a 4x4. And you could even put one on the back. I used chipboard pieces from the collection, which I decorated with some of the Dazzles stickers. Those act as a seal for the pockets. Here's this booklet. I left the booklets unfinished on the inside to avoid too much bulk, to make them easy to get in and out of the pockets. There's this one. And then we have one more. And then the center section is a waterfall tied with that gingham ribbon. So when you untie it, it collapses down like that. Got this little Ferris wheel. Let me turn it right so it says enjoy the ride. And then it's just got decorative paper on the inside. I used some of that fireworks paper in the gussets. So lots of room for photos. And then at the end it says smile, or at the beginning, depending on which end you're opening first. Also decorated with more of the Dazzles stickers. This just ties back up like this. You prop the sides up, put the lid on, and this box measures 4 by 4. So for just a tiny space, I mean, this is 4 inches by 4 inches, you have room for a lot of photos, and not only room for the photos, but a fun way to display them. I can't wait to fill this up with photos of my Disney adventures with my grandson. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye!